Hi guys, I'm Jamie Greenberg, celebrity makeup artist, and I am going to do some unboxing. I get a lot of products sent to me and I thought, why don't I just bring you through the journey and talk about great products? So let's go. So we love Kiehls. Kiehls is tried and true iconic brand. And would you believe that they came out with this amazing vitamin C? I'm sure you would believe. So this is the Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate, and it has 12.5% of vitamin C. And they say that you will visibly see a difference within 2 weeks for your texture, your wrinkly dinklies, and then your fine lines, okay? All right, so then they also have Powerful Strength and Line Reducing and Brightening, Dark circle diminishing, everything eye cream. It's literally like a vitamin C eye cream for everything all in one. And you should visibly notice a difference in your dark circles within 1 week of use. So, hey, let's go. Well, we got Makeup by Mario. It has a new product. Whoa. Drench your lips in liquid color, honey. Let's go. Let's just do one of these roulettes before I take them out of the box. Okay, I picked Poppy, and it is Poppy. Well, it's popping. So this is the size of it. Ooh! Goes on super smooth, like a butter. Like a butter, honey. Let me see. A little messy. I'm a little messy. So smooth, so moisturizing, no smell. No taste. Beautiful, gorgeous, full color line. Love. Okay, so you guys know I love Thrive. They're like my soul brand. They came out with new colors in their triple threat, which is what you are, a triple threat, honey, never forget it. This is the semi-permanent micro pigment technology. They have Mo, Anita, and Ray. Let's try Ray, because I have a client named Ray and she spells it the same way. So remember, this is a color on the top. These are like more like a little bit of a contour or a bronzy color. You can see Anita and Mo. And I'm just going to, look at that, lightly. That is so natural and pretty and light. And then look, we put it on here, blend it out. It has a little blending brush involved. That's beautiful. And that's Ray, R-H-E-A. Don't get it twisted, Ray. Don't get it twisted, Ray. Beautiful, triple threat, honey. She can sing, she can dance, and she can slay. Junior B. I always read these things wrong. It's Joan Rhodes Beauty. How cute, comes in this little pouch, and they have their eyeshadows. So let's try one. Cool taupe, cool brown, and baby pink. Let's do cool brown, because I'm cool, and I love brown, and you're cool, and you love brown. So you see what it is. It's in this little pot, comes with a little top. I'm just gonna use my fingers, which is what I love, and I'm gonna just blend it on there. Ooh, cool brown, honey. That's exactly what it is. I mean, there's nothing like doing your makeup in a computer, in a phone, and not being able to see anything, but considering that, it looks really pretty. And you could go deeper if you use more. I'm just using my finger and it kind of stops there because of my nail, but you could dig in and get more, but so pretty, so easy. Okay, so I didn't know this, but apparently according to Freck, it's rich bitch season. I've been called a bitch, but not rich. Actually, I am rich. I am rich with love. So their newest product is the Protect and Prime. It's a serum. This is it. It's a Protect and Prime situation here. This is supposed to be worn under makeup as a primer. And then, of course, we have the Cactus and Vitamin C moisturizer that comes in this little tube. Rich Bitch, it's the Rich Bitch family. And this is the newest member. And then, of course, we have the tried and true Nourishing Lip Balm that has the peptide lip balm, which is definitely a winner. So if you're a rich bitch, or you're rich, or you wanna be rich, or you wanna be a bitch, this is your jam. Freck, I love this brand. It's so quirky and fun and good products. Okay, you guys all know the brand Ilia. If you don't, you've been probably sitting under a rock too long or in the sauna too long. Anyway, I just wanted to go over some of my favorites from this line because I just got a restock and I just wanted to share them with you. You guys are always asking me for a good eyeshadow palette. This is called the eyeshadow palette, the Necessity in Warm Nude. And it's great. It's got matte, it's got shimmer, it's amazing. Also, I love, these are their liquid powder chromatic eye tints. They're easy to use. You swipe them on, so good. I love their C Beyond Triple Serum. It has a an SPF of 40. It's great. It's got vitamin C, niacinamide, allantoin, and then, oh my God, their setting powder. This is their Fade Into You Soft Focus Finishing Powder. It's talc-free, honey. It's so good. There's more. Oh, I love this buffing brush. I also love this Color Haze pigment. It's great. You can put it on your lips, your cheeks. It's gorgeous, and I love Ilia. Okay, I know International Women's Day is over now, but I have to just give a shout out because I got the cutest package. I just opened all this stuff. This was from Alicia Grande, her serum, which is like one of the biggest serums out there to regrowth. I love it. And of course, Rianne Silva. Hey girl, this is her beauty blender. Is that what it's called? Just kidding, beauty blender. I live on these. They're like my oxygen in the makeup world. And so the two of them collabed. You guys hit me up next time. I'll get in there. We'll have a throuple. And they created a little gift to give to women in their life and sent me a card. So I'm honored to be on the list. Next time, let me throuple with you guys. Okay, we'll get something in there. I got you. Thank you. Love you. Happy Women's Day every day. It doesn't need to be just one day a year. So a lot of you guys ask me about dark spots. We're always working on them. I found this toner from Pharmacy that I really enjoy. You put it on in the morning and the night on clean skin, and then you don't wash it off. You just wait and then you do your skincare, but it's supposed to tone your skin and then also help with really stubborn dark spots. It's called Brighten Up 3% TXA by Pharmacy. It's great. I really like it, and you should try it. It's great. Okay, so this is a brand that's called Clinical Plus Skin. And this is a product that I tried that I really like. It's a retinol peptide serum that you use just at night. You just put like 5 drops on at night, and it's supposed to work with the texture of your skin, overall appearance, brightening. Of course, it has the retinol in there, but it also has the peptide, and it's just like an anti-aging system that you use. And I definitely like it when I use it. So just wanted to give a shout out to Clinical Plus Skin. Had never heard of them before, tried it, and I'm liking. Always looking for a good retinol. You know I love this line. This is the Drunk Elephant line. First of all, packaging, so cute. This retinol is awesome. Also, I love this Bouncy Bright Facial Illuminator. It's a mask. It's for correcting and calming your skin. These are 2 of my fave products. I also got this, the Proteini Polypeptide Cream. My daughter's obsessed with this, and so she got me obsessed with it, and I had to get another one. So I just wanted to keep you posted on all the Drunk Elephant. That's my Drunk Elephant. Am I drunk? Okay, so one of my friends told me that, who's not in the makeup world, that she was obsessed with E.l.f.'s glue. So I went out and bought the brow glue, and I have to tell you that I am so obsessed with it. Now, I don't have a lot of brow, but I've used it on my clients, and it is fantastic. It stays, it doesn't flake. But then she told me that the brow lift that comes in this little thing is great, so I'm gonna try it. It's kind of bouncy, so I'm gonna just take a little with a spoolie. Let's see. Oh, whoa, this might be crazier than I don't even have that much brow, but look at that. Whoa, oh my goodness. I think it's better than their glue. So I think that this is even more, this brow lift, it's almost like a lamination. It's even more gluier than the glue. I think it's better than the glue. Whoa, I think I put way too much on. So there's that. It's insane. I've never seen my brows stick up like this before, ever. So there you go, E.l.f. So this is a brand I don't know much about, Madison Charles, but he has this body oil that I really enjoyed. So I'm just gonna tell you a little bit about that. And then I love a body oil, especially right now when it's dry. It was almost like a dry oil, like it goes on like an oil, but there's no like yucky residue, and it just leaves your skin hydrated, which I really appreciate. Then we have these oils that you can rub, so anxiety. So this is like the Zoloft oil, and they're in these really pretty, I actually was using the Breathe one the other day. These really pretty, super pretty. And then you just kind of rub it on and relax. Roll this on the bottom of your feet, your wrists, behind your ears. Help boost immunity. They have immunity. Roll on the pulse points of your necks for sleepy. They also have breathe, which I've used before, and anxiety. So Shiseido came out with new lipsticks. These are gorgeous. Can we get over it? Let's just grab one. I don't even know what these are called. Oh, they are the Tech Satin Gel Lipstick. Let's see. Ooh, beautiful. That's so pretty. Let's see how they feel. Ooh, that is gorgeous. This is the color. It's number 410 because that's all I can read. I can't actually read the color. Magnetic closure. Really pretty. 410. Nice. Satin finish. Looks good. Not too glossy, not too matte. It's kind of in between. That's what a satin finish is. Has a little bit more moisture. And no smell, so it's good by me. So Olio e Osso. You probably recognize these. These are I love these. They're so easy and beautiful. But they now have these glow body oils, and this is the Liquid Sunshine. It's delicious, divine, gorgeous. They have others. They have silky smooth operation and then like a vitamin for your skin. So they have a shave oil, a body oil, and then a glow oil. And I'm just obsessed with them. So I just wanted to give them a shout out. They make a mini set. Comes in a little like mini set like that. It's so cute. So also I'm obsessed with the artwork because I have a product with similar artwork and I just love it. Great brand. Okay, so there's a brand I'm crazy about. I've known about them for a long time, Peach and Lily. I remember when they just started. I heard about them through Michelle Phan, K-Beauty brand. So I just wanted to share a couple of my faves. They have this Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser that I'm like obsessed with. It's so great, doesn't strip your skin, takes everything off. This Glass Skin Mist, it's a veil mist. It hydrates, it makes your skin glow. And then if you're trying to get that glass skin feeling, you wanna use this Glass Skin Refining Serum. It's so luminous and it really gives you that glass skin finish if you're looking to do that. So check them out, Peach and Lily, so many good products in the line and just a great line. Okay, this is a Switzerland-based brand that I found called, I think it's called Cellular Energy or Timeline. Timeline and Cellular Energy is written on all the products that I've been able to find, but the one that I've been using that I've been loving is this La Crème de Nuit, which is the night cream. It's amazing. When you wear it at night, the next day you just look like more hydrated. You don't look like you went on a soy sauce bender, and you don't look puffy. I don't know, I can't explain, but this is a great line. I am gonna try to find more products from them because I just wanna see if the whole line is just as good as that cream. So, Le Nuit Crème de Nuit. The night cream. Okay, Victoria Beckham has done it again. Victoria Beckham Beauty. This is called Eyewear. Let's try one out. This is called Eyewear. It is a beautiful eyeshadow stick. Let's see how easy. Oh, so easy. You just put it on and roll. It was a little messy, but you guys get the drift. Really nice, really easy to use. Blendable, beautiful. Victoria Beckham comes in all these colors. Cute design in the packaging. But yeah, love it. Kamiko means energy, beauty, and youth. It's a Tokyo-made product by a girl that I'm friends with named Kamiko. I'm using her brow pencil. This is a brow line and it's fantastic. This is the color Latte. I'm just gonna create a little more natural brow. I just completely like glued my brows, but I just love how natural it is. I love how well it stays on. And I just love Kamiko. This is the brand. So cute. She has amazing products. The Brow Sensei and the Super Fine Eyebrow. It's super fine, super easy to use, and you can really get detailed with it because it's so thin. But love. So this is a brand called Motif. This is the Abundance. This is the Plumping Phytoceramide Cleanser. Let's just see. It smells clean and delicious, and it kind of has a little bit of texture in there, like it would be like exfoliating, but it's supposed to be, and it feels very hydrating. It's rich and creamy and doubles as an instant brightening mask. Ooh, I love this. So you can leave this on for 10 minutes, or you can just rinse it off after massaging gently for 30 seconds. I'm excited. I love this. And it smells good. And cleansers gotta smell good or I don't want to clean with them. Motif. Never heard of this brand. You're new to me. And nice to meet you. So there's a brand called Flexitol. It's super affordable, like very inexpensive. This is their lip balm. Do you remember Carmax? Kind of has that smell, but it really, really hydrates. And then they have this anti-aging hand balm. It's an anti-aging hand balm. And it's really nice. I gotta tell you, it doesn't leave any like weird residue. And I feel like it doesn't really have any smell. And then they also make a face and eyelid eczema cream, which I haven't tried yet, but it's really supposed to be good. And it's the Eczema Association approves and stands by the product. So these are really just like very inexpensive and good products. I just wanted to always, guys, let you know about that. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Tell me some products you love or some that you want me to try, and we'll do this again. Also, if you're interested in anything that I just talked about, just click the link below and you can go shop, honey, because Shop Till You Drop is my middle name. It's a long middle name, but never had to put it on a necklace or anything, but you get it.